Power density is going up, so there's more torque and power going through smaller and smaller equipment. Machine durability, the demand to drive uptime and push machinery further and harder. That vector of behaviors that is being forced by the machine design community is having a large impact on the lubricants and how they perform. When a lubricant fails in service, when you have unscheduled downtime, that can be catastrophic to a business's bottom line. And that's where SHC Elite can step in.
Mobil SHC Elite is a step-out technology. It offers solutions to those who are operating in high-temperature environments or are working in production environments where there are high transient heats. We're saying that intermittent service temperatures up to 150 degrees C, whereas a standard synthetic has intermittent service temperatures up to 130 C, and a continuing operating service temperature, which is about 20 degrees C above the current synthetics. It offers good rust, corrosion, and wear protection and varnish protection. So it does everything that you can imagine.
If you have a premature failure with a high-performance synthetic, Elite can step in and actually take that failure away and give owner-operators and designers that peace of mind. The other thing it does is it enables them to try and envision how they can optimize their equipment to push things beyond where they're at right now.
One of the more interesting parts of the project is around how we had to come up with creative solutions in order to test double oil life.
We have to accelerate the failure because we need to know what the lubricant's going to be doing, a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now. There was no industry standard for some of these tests, so we had to completely invent new tests to try and torture the lubricant.
We actually invented this particular rig. This was the very first rig, GTR number 1, and there's 3 other rigs in this cell. We're continuously monitoring. Every second we're taking a torque reading, and the thermocouples are taking temperature readings.
A compressor is an ideal place to test different lubricants and to really accelerate the oxidation process so we can really tell the difference between a step-out lubricant and just a standard lubricant. The characteristics of Mobil SHC Elite make so that you've got very clean components even after long duration in this very severe environment.
ExxonMobil is really listening to what's going on in the industry.
This product is different than anything else that's on the market.
With our SHC Elite, we've taken that quantum leap of lube life